of you playing with my mind. We used to be cool, this used to be love. Now it's become something like a job. Like it or not, maybe things were changing right before our eyes. I tried to be a picture perfect girl, but you were in your own fantasy world, trying to control me like some kind of Barbie, but that just ain't me. 'Cause I ain't a doll, this ain't a dollhouse. You're way too old to be putting me down like this and playing around like this. I ain't a doll, this ain't a dollhouse. No, I could never be stuck living life like this behind these four walls. 'Cause I ain't a doll. You called the shots, right down to my shoes. I liked what you liked, 'cause you told me to. And I don't think that you could even